Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to sign into your Gmail account. So in order to begin, you need to go to Google, type in Google account, and if you did not know, your Gmail account is actually tied to a very big ecosystem of Google accounts. So if you sign in once, you can then use all the services with one account. So as you can see, I can just type in, for example, Gmail login, like that, and then it will take us here, and now we can actually log in. So as you can see, I'm already logged in, but in your case, let me just open up the incognito, type in Gmail login once again. There you go, and in here we can just sign in. So as you can see, we have sign in button right over here. Click on it. In here you just input your email and password. It's pretty simple. Also, don't forget that if you have a two-factor authentication set up, you'll need a code that will be sent to either your authentication app or your phone. You type that in and then you're successfully signed in. And when you are, you can just open up this email tab, right? Like this. And you can view and manage, receive and send the mail. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And thank you for watching.